Welcome to Review Rumble. The best flipper remote is probably one of the most user-friendly remote controls designed specifically for seniors. With its simplified button layout and easy-to-read numbers, it eliminates the confusion often associated with complex remotes. This device is perfect for those who struggle with technology or have difficulty with small buttons, making TV viewing a breeze. It's a game-changer for enhancing the quality of life for elderly individuals. Number 5. DEWENWILS Wireless Remote Control Outlet Kit. This wireless remote control switch is ready to go right out of the box. No programming is needed, just plug it in and it works. It's perfect for anyone who wants a simple solution to control their devices. With a 100-foot range, this remote works through walls and doors. You don't need to be in direct line of sight to control it. It offers reliable performance for your convenience. The outlet's compact size saves space and fits any room. It won't block other outlets, and its sleek design blends seamlessly with your decor. You can easily expand this system by adding more remotes and outlets. Customize your setup to control multiple devices with ease. It offers flexibility for your needs. This ETL-listed outlet is safe for various appliances and lights. It can handle up to 10 to 1,200 watts. It's a reliable and safe choice for your home. What we like? This remote outlet is incredibly easy to set up, with no programming needed. It offers a long RF range, so you can control devices from a distance without needing a direct line of sight. If you have limited mobility or want to control lights and appliances remotely, this is a great choice. It simplifies your life with its convenience. What people say? The remote is very easy to set up. The buttons are large and easy to see. It is very easy to use. Number 4. EasyMote DT R08W Universal Big Button TV Remote. Tired of complicated remotes? This is the EasyMote, designed for stress-free TV control. It simplifies your entertainment experience, making it easy to navigate your television. This remote controls both your TV and cable box. It works with all major IR TVs and set-top boxes. It's all you need for a simplified experience. Featuring a sleek handheld design with large, backlit buttons, it's easy to see, even in the dark. The clear button text makes it simple to use. It also includes a wrist strap to prevent misplacement. The EasyMote has a quick search function to find your TV's code. It also has a learning mode, so you can customize it. You can teach it custom commands from your original remote. It's a thoughtful gift for seniors, caregivers, or anyone with low vision. It's also great for hospitals, hotels, or nursing homes. Please note that batteries are not included. What we like? This remote features large, backlit buttons, making it easy to see and use, even in the dark. It is universally compatible with most TVs and cable boxes, simplifying your entertainment setup. If you are looking for a simple, easy-to-use remote with large buttons and a wrist strap, this is the perfect solution for seniors or those with visual impairments. It's designed to make TV watching a stress-free experience. What people say? Works as expected. Easy to hold and use. Easy to program. High quality. Number 3. One for all URC 7935 Streamer Remote. This remote can control up to 3 devices. It simplifies your entertainment setup by managing your streaming box, TV, and soundbar all at once. It's designed to make your life easier. Once set up, certain keys operate your TV and soundbar. The rest of the buttons are assigned to your streaming box. This allows you to control 3 devices as if they were one single unit. The color ring indicates which device you're controlling. You can use pre-programmed colors or customize them to your preference. This feature helps you quickly identify which device is active. It features 4 shortcut keys for your favorite streaming services. You're just a button press away from Amazon Prime, YouTube, Netflix, or any other online streaming app. Enjoy instant access to your favorite content. You can easily customize this remote using the learning feature. Simply copy functions directly from your original remote. This ensures full compatibility and a personalized experience. What we like? This remote can control up to 3 devices, including streaming boxes, TVs, and soundbars. It offers customizable color feedback to indicate which device you're controlling. If you like having quick access to your favorite streaming services, this remote is ideal. It streamlines your entertainment setup with its versatile control and convenient shortcut keys. What people say. Works great with my Apple TV device. I could not get my Apple remote to turn on my TV, it would only turn it off. I tried everything and decided to order this remote. Make sure you follow all directions as it could be a little confusing to set up. Once I got it up and running, I've had no issues. It turns on off my Apple TV device, soundbar, and TV with one button. Fastest setup of a remote ever. I simply had to do 2 different setup key presses. First for our Toshiba Fire TV and the second for the streaming box Roku. Ours are the Premier and Premier Plus Roku streaming players. It switches between the Fire TV and Roku input seamlessly. The volume control for the TV works when using the Roku. I programmed the remote in about 10 minutes. My TV is an Insignia with Roku built in, and luckily there was a predefined code for that setup. For my soundbar, I used the learning mode and was able to get that set up in just a couple of minutes by using the remote for the soundbar. The soundbar functionality worked perfectly. The Roku TV setup worked fine except the power button didn't turn the TV off and on, and the A button didn't go to Amazon Prime. No problem. For TV power, I just went into manual mode and set it up by using the Roku remote. For the A button, I manually set it up by following the instructions on how to customize the app buttons. Very easy, worked like a charm. Number 2. TabTime Big Button Universal Remote for Seniors. This is a simple remote designed for seniors. It has large, easy-to-see buttons for essential functions. It's perfect for those with limited dexterity or poor vision. The remote features only 7 large buttons. These buttons control the power, volume, channels, and mute functions. It's designed to be simple and intuitive. This remote works with most TVs, set-top boxes, and DVD players. It uses infrared technology to communicate with your devices. Please note that it is not compatible with Bluetooth or RF devices. Setting up this remote is quick and easy. It learns from your existing TV remote in minutes. It also includes the batteries needed for immediate use. The simple design makes it a great gift for seniors. It's easy to use and helps those with dementia or other issues. It provides a user-friendly experience. What we like. This remote has a simple interface with only essential functions and large, clearly labeled buttons. It's easy to set up, learning from your existing TV remote in minutes. If you have a loved one with dementia or limited dexterity, this remote is a thoughtful gift. It simplifies TV control with its user-friendly design. What people say. The remote is very easy to set up. The buttons are large and easy to see. It is very easy to use. Number 1. Clean Remote CR3BCB Spillproof TV Remote Control. This is the Clean Remote CR3BCB, a spill-proof TV remote control. It's designed to withstand accidental spills, ensuring its longevity and your peace of mind. Crafted from durable plastic with a microtexture finish, this remote is built to last. The black case with a white keypad and gold trim gives it a sleek look. The CR3BCB is specifically designed to be spill-proof. This feature protects the internal components from liquid damage, making it a reliable choice. It comes with an instruction manual for easy setup and use. Its dimensions are 7 to 15-16 inches in height, 1 to 5-16 inches in depth, and 2 to 1-2 inches in width. This remote control is made in China. It is a practical and durable solution for your television control needs. What we like. This remote is designed to be spill-proof, making it easy to clean and maintain. It's built for durability, ensuring it can withstand daily use. If you like a remote that can withstand spills and is easy to clean, this is a great choice. It's perfect for environments where spills are a concern. What people say. This is the second clean remote I've purchased. The other had a different color back. This one with black back works better. Better connection to TV immediately. Easy to program, works great. Totally satisfied. Got it from my mom in a nursing home and it has been wonderful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.